Oh no. Already up to a great start. I'm gonna find the microphone. Oh, come on. Hello, hello. Hi, welcome back. It's only 330 days until Christmas. 330 days till Christmas. What do they want to get? It's only 330 days until Christmas, and I think everyone is thinking the same thing. What presents am I going to buy? Well, here's a toy that you might want to buy. It is going to require some batteries. It's called Arakno the Awesome. It's an interactive arachnid toy. On Amazon.com at the moment it's $50. In the UK usually it's £40. But at the moment it's going for about £25, which is pretty much the price I think I paid for it. We'll see what the Amazon packaging's like. It's an interactive toy, so I think it plays around with you. How intelligent it is, we will find out. So we have an Amazon box. Oh. And for once, I think it's not too bad a choice of box size from Amazon. And this is it. It's not a very heavy box. The Awesome Interactive Arachnid. 50 interactive features, lights and sounds. Meet your Arakno if you dare. This super creepy interactive arachnid definitely looks scary. But get to know him and he'll soon become your loyal spider sidekick. Until the batteries run out. So you can play against Arakno. Has 4 interactive games: Catch the Fly, Fruit Fly Machine, Swat It, and Web Spider Fly. See if you can beat Arakno, but beware, he's a sore loser, so I guess he might try and attack you if he loses. If you're afraid of the dark, Arakno isn't. He'll use his spider senses to keep watch in protect mode. To see how, hang him up from his web, detects movement, his web will release, and drop him down. So if you're afraid of the dark, he's going to drop down and scare the hell out of you. You can watch him scuttle. He'll love scuttling around, and his scary movement is sure to startle unsuspecting targets. We have a cat. I may have to try him out on him. Set him to scuttle mode and he will count down before he zooms away into your parents' bedroom. Well. Hang him. Turn his world upside down and hang Arakno using his special pull-out web and hanger accessory. He loves finding new places to hang out, so make sure you take his hanger with you wherever you go. So you get Arakno spider, hanger and instructions. Open him up from the top. Right, guide. He comes like this. Relatively big, nice plasticky. So yeah, quite easy to hang on the back of a door. And he comes down there. It's probably easy to untie this, but probably shouldn't pull that out. It comes back in quite easily. To open them up, you do need a screwdriver. Right. A Phillips head screwdriver. Oh, it's quite hard to get undone. Yeah, 4 AAA batteries. So he could turn out to be quite an expensive gift if you need to go through batteries. I'm not sure what the battery life is like. It doesn't say anything about lifespan. He's crazy. So you turn him on, hold the back button for 3 seconds, and it flashes based on his eyes. This is game mode. He's a lunatic. So at the moment he's in a stupid mode. We're going to go to game mode. Stop, you little. Catch a fly. Press his head to start the game. When you see a fly, catch it. So every time you see a fly, let's go fruit fly machine. The aim is to match the symbols in both the eyes to win. To play, press his head button to randomly select the first icon, press it again and match the second icon. Okay, let's go. So we match this one up. Well, he wasn't happy with that. Swat it is another one. The aim of the game is to try and do what Arakno says as fast as you can. Swat it. Okay, we'll do this one now. Tilt. I don't know what you mean by tilt. Tilting forwards. Okay, here we go. We got him now. Don't touch him. We won. I wonder what the eye mode is. Play mode. Once play mode lights will blue, press the back button or make movements in front of him to trigger his senses. Ah! Oh, he's angry. He's a bit stupid. I got him by the bum. Hello. Silly little thing. Right, so now we have two predators. Let's see how they react. So Arachnid. He's dead now. For me, the novelty factor wore off pretty much instantly. $50 seems quite a bit for him as well. £25 at the moment. I still feel a bit miffed paying that for him. I'm sure kids will love him. Don't you think, Johnson? He's not even bothered by him. He doesn't care, do you? So now we're going to test out his protect mode. So this is protect mode. So he's turned it off. I've put his cord up his bum. That's so annoying, this thing is. Stupid spider. Right now, he's ready to go in protect mode. Push this down. We're going to see if we can walk past him without setting him off. He's pretty rubbish until you touch him. But yes, once again, the cat is nonplussed. He is pretty cool looking, I'll give him that. Bear in mind I quickly read the instructions. It doesn't seem too simple to use. Protect mode seemed to work, but he only seemed to work when I nudged him. But that was pretty cool, but if he goes off in the night, he's going to be quite annoying. If he's not that good, what would you get instead? Well, this is something I picked up for £5. It's a blade builder. Usually it's about £30. This one looks quite cool. Well, I never had the pleasure of owning a lightsaber when I was younger. It's made by Disney. I'll open it up and see what it's like inside. So there's an app you can download to make some cool videos with. Luckily, this one also uses AAA batteries. Why is it all kids' toys? Now you really need to use a screwdriver to open up the battery compartment. So I'm already nearly out of batteries. So I think the cool thing about these is that they come with different parts and you can build on what you already have. So it comes with this, and I think this is used for attaching it to other parts. Whoa. So you can plug this in the bottom. You can buy attachments to go on it and make it cool. But yeah, it looks kind of cool. Kids love swords. Give them a couple of these and I think they will get on with it quite well. Give them one of these, they might enjoy it for a bit. Personally, I go for the lightsaber.